Hi friends, now we are going to install SME server 9.0 and also we are created bootable pen drive. ASO bootable pen drive is there here. Okay, in the welcome screen you will get a lot of options here. Select advanced installation options, the center. In the advanced installation options, install upgrade using graphical installer. Select it, the center. Wait for few seconds, it will start installing. Choose a language here, select English, press OK, and then select the keyboard type, and then select the installation method here. Select the hard drive. In the selected partition option here, select the installation media, where your installation media. If I select STC2, it will contain an error, does not appear to contain installation image. If you select STC2, STC1, installation image does not appear. Device SDA1 you need to select. This is my pen drive. Means in this pen drive we have the media. Select and then press enter button. What type of devices will your installation involve? Select the basic storage devices and then press the next option here. It is examining devices. At least one existing installation has been detected on your system. What would you like to do? A fresh installation. And then press the next button. Select your country. Mine India. Asia, Kolkata. And then select the next. Which type of installation would you like? Use all space, replace existing Linux, shrink current system, use free space, create custom layout. I'll select use all space. Press next. If you select use all space means what are the files is there in your hard disk, all files will be deleted. Before starting this process, what are the files is there, you took the backup. And you will get one window, the data storage devices here, and one more install target devices. Install targeted devices, there is no hard disk has been selected. Select the hard disk first here. I selected my 2 TB hard disk here, and then click this arrow button. Okay, now install target devices has been selected. Select this hard disk and then click next. You must select one drive to boot from. I will select here again and then select next button. Yes. This option performs a new install of SME server. All hard drives including removable media will be repartitioned and formatted. Proceed. Yes. Select this write changes to disk. Now it will start installing SME server. Wait for few seconds. Yes. Formatting, creating extended 4 file system on device mapper main or root. It will take more than 5 minutes. After completion of this process, your SME server installation will be completed. Okay, thank you. SME server packages installing. All the installation files has been processing completed. Wait for few more seconds to finish it. Congratulations, your SME server installation is complete. Please reboot to use the installed system. Note that updates may be available to ensure the proper functioning of the system, and installation of these updates is recommended after the reboot. Okay, now I will select here reboot. Now I will remove my pen drive. SME server. Okay, now SMS server installation has been completed. If you want to configure, you can configure here. Choose administrator password, whatever the password you want, you can use it. Okay, thank you.